Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on a Supra. Just two real quick things. One is going to be putting on this banner that I custom made, windshield banner, and I'll show you how I built that, but just putting that real quick right up against there to try to block some of the sunlight out of my eyes. Hopefully that comes out good. I'll show you how I made that. And then the other thing we're doing is installing this Blitz Strut bar. Picked this up from eBay pretty cheap. Looks to be pretty good quality, and it's going to stiffen up the suspension a little bit. So alright, so we got the banner installed. It was a little easier than I thought it was going to be, but still kind of hard. As you can see, it's in there. Now, when we put it on, the vinyl that we use is kind of stretchy, so it makes me wonder if maybe the middle part didn't get stuck high in the we end up pulling the ends low. So I may try to do this again. Maybe I'll roll with this one for a little bit, see how I like it. But I do know that, you know, obviously I can't go too low here because of regulations and all that. But for first attempt, not too bad, not too bad. I'll probably try it again, see if I can't manage to get it, you know, a little bit lower in the middle and then kind of even out on the ends. So next is the strut bar. I've seen a lot of people when they do the strut bar, they actually have to pick up the car to get underneath the bolts here. So, and I've seen some people turn the steering wheel to get to those bolts. So we'll see how it goes. right, so installation's finished. Strut bar looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It was really easy to install. Probably one of the easiest things I've ever put on the car before. These bolts were already threaded, so I did not have to jack up the car. This one as well. I think on earlier models, this bar wasn't here, and so maybe that part wasn't threaded, and that's why on some of the installation videos you see people jacking up the cars to get to that bolt back there. But I did not have to do that. Pretty happy with how this install went. All right, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about the banner. Should I change it out? I think the more I look at it, I'm probably going to change it out. Still have a couple things to go. Next weekend, I'll be getting the Arcade titanium exhaust and installing that, so pretty excited to put that thing on. And then, of course, still working on these emblems, my own custom emblems that I'm working on. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.